to my vlog. We're going to do a trimming today. It's kind of bushy. Wow, look at my getting bushy. Getting bushy na yung ating ang kulit, no? The husband is already there. Just all of from the wire, no?
Yeah, they're gonna get stuff underneath, otherwise it just lays on top.
You know, need to trim all that because it's on the wire. I don't know if you guys see it.
Well, there's no danger if it's short. These are fiber optic. Just a little bit more blade on it.
Yeah, it's basura day. All basura is outside. At least no more in the lines. All right, let's clean this up then. I will clean all this up.
I'm spent. I gotta go snap.
Can I see your damage? Here you have cut. It really bleed profusely. So let's clean all this up. At nalinis na rin natin yung ating mga kalat. Ayan, tingnan mo yung trim. At least nabawasan kahit paano. Dito rin sa gilid. Para mabasa yung metro. Ayan. Ayan. Nagawalis tayo dyan. Yes, let's take a little break. The husband is hungry.
I'm hungry.
So after the trimming, it put him to do all his sweat and everything. He said that I will work him out. Huh?
Yep, I got a workout.
Alright, we will go somewhere. SM Clark. Bye, Pitunya. See you later. At least I cleaned the car the other day. So at least I give him a nice bath. So kahit paano, malinis na rin siya. Right, baby?
Yep.
Off we go. It's already 10:02 and it's already
87 according to that.
87. It's hot.
Humid.
And it's humid and there is no breeze at all. That's why it's kind of hot.
Summer's here.
Summer is here. Be careful. Here we are in the car now, going to SM Clark. The husband needs some treat after the workout he made in the Bougainvillea. He's all wounded. For some reason, Bougainvillea always hurt him.
Yeah,
He always like, you know, he always like cut, slice, bump, everything.
Yeah, that makes a rose look like tissue paper.
Yeah. You see that? You see that? Yeah.
Yeah, it's pretty deep.
A while ago, it's really bleed like crazy and it scared me. Oh well. Let's go to SM Clark. You want some Mexican food?
Tacos.
Tacos. We are here at SM Clark. SM City Clark.
Yeah, this is a nice mall here. I like it here. Lots and lots and lots of restaurants. Good ones too.
SM store. Bili tayo ng kakanin. And then let's eat. I like the kakanin here. Neng meron na?
Ano po ba?
Sapin-sapin. Ayan na pala. Ha?
Ano po yung size? 1/4?
Yung 1/4 lang para... Magkano 1/4 agad, Neng? 100?
198
Ha?
198 po.
198, isang ganon? Bawat?
Ito
Or...
lang po yung isang buo nun sa pinman, di siya below.
Pero di ba pwedeng magganyan? 1/4 to 1/4, pwede ba yun?
Ito naman. Kaya lang ang sapin-sapin maliit lang.
Ayan, magkano yan?
Ito po, 770 po ito.
Ayan,
Yung 1/4 niya, ganyan na.
198. Ito ding ano yan?
Maha Blanca.
Sa ganito, sa mga 1/4 na ganito, magkano?
198 po.
Ganun din.
Yes, ma'am.
Bigyan mo nga ako dito, Neng. Tsaka yun.
Saka itong maha.
Oo.
Yung sapin, ma'am, hindi na.
Maliit lang kamo. Tapos 198.
Mahal kasi yan.
Mas mahal yan? Masarap yan? Sige, tingnan ko nga. Neng binibidyo ko yung ano ha. Kasi papakita ko ha. Kasi gusto rin ng mister ko yan. Basta betis, masarap ano. Ayan anak ko. Ano ba to? Ano ba yan nga? Maha.
Kasaba.
Kasaba. Hanggang ilang araw pwede yan eh?
Masarap niyo po ma'am, 1 week to.
1 week. Yan. Tapos ito naman is Maha Blanca daw. Sasarap yung ano ng betis eh. Pagdating nyo dito, kukuha tayo nito. I know you guys miss the kakanin.
Okay na to ma'am.
Oo. Sige, bigyan mo ako ng
Sapin.
sapin. Para ano. Yung puto magkano?
15.
Isa? Tama na to, marami na. Ayan o. Ganyan lang pala kaliit. Is 198 na rin daw. Pero kasi, napakasarap. Ayan. Ayan. So, 198 isa yun. Parang 200 na rin, ano? Pag nilagay sa rep, paano pag ano ininit dahil matigas yun?
Steam ma'am.
Steam lang, hindi microwave. Steam lang natin. Kasi titigas pag microwave nga. Ayan sila anak. Nakita ko lang ito sa ano eh, sa vlog ng isa kong friend. Ang hilig niya dito bumili. Hinanap ko. Ito halaya. Yan yung ano nila. Marami yan eh. Ayan. Betis. Ito yung kanilang kunchinta at saka puto. Next time na naman bibili natin. Kasi baka hindi ko na makain yung mga yun. Ayan yung mga price nila. Next time, this is the one that you said. Next time Gary wants to eat here. 1640. This one? Oh, this one? Both? Okay, next
I'll take
time.
everything on both boards.
You want all those?
Yeah.
Well, the price is not bad.
No, it's not.
Yeah. Okay. Wala pang masyadong tao kasi kabubukas pa lang. See? Because he's fasting and when the day of him to eat, everything looks good. This is really what I want to try. The sinigang na beef and watermelon. I mean
It's a kind of
pakuan.
weird combo, but sounds
Yeah. Sinigang
You know?
na may pakuan. I really want to try
a
that.
taste for sisig.
Oh, gising. I'm gonna try that. I always see sigarilyas. I'm gonna try that. See, gising.
Hey, we'll come back here next week after payday.
Yeah.
We'll come back here next week.
So cool. And that is the
Oh
pipiña.
yeah, I want to eat there again.
Yeah.
Coconut,
Pipiña.
Stefania. Yeah, I want to eat there again.
Hokkaido ramen. How about that? It's a ramen. No?
Yeah.
Contis. Dennis. Our favorite spot. Okay, nandito tayo ulit. Beef din ito, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Ilang piraso yan?
Dalawa.
Ito sa akin.
Yes, a beer.
Oo, tsaka number 5.
Combo pa.
Oh, what else?
All right, I'm gonna have a solo nacho, and I want some street tacos. Carne asada. I'll take an order of carnitas.
We're done here. The husband is so bundat.
I am satisfied.
You like it?
Oh yeah.
This
I'll take
one.
one of these. One.
Tsaka isa nito, dito, dine-in. I just see the mango. You know me, I like mango.
Oh, I like mango too. Smaller too.
Yeah. That one is big. Let's try this one. Tada! Sapin-sapin. Cassava. This is the cassava and this is the maja blanca. Okay, let's have some before I put in the fridge. Yeah, baby. So that I put in the fridge. Do you want some?
No, please.
Okay. Let's have this and this. Oops. How about this? Can you open this?